Hello guys, my name is Anil. Today you will learn about 20 phrases to use instead of nice to meet you. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you get new notification every time I post such video. So, without further ado, let's start. Great seeing you. Happy to meet you. How do you do? Good to meet you. How wonderful to meet you. Glad to meet you. I had a great meeting. It was lovely meeting you. I had a great time. Great interacting with you. I have enjoyed meeting you. It was nice to have met you. It's very nice to meet you. It is fun talking to you. It was nice meeting you. It's lovely to meet you. It was nice talking to you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It is fun chatting with you. It's been a pleasure meeting you. So guys, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Please like this video and share this video with your other friends. Do comment and please subscribe this channel and do press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I post such video. So guys, till the next video, take good care of yourself.